Hey guys, Erica here with Best Contracting. I'm at a siding job at this house today, and I'm going to walk you around and show you this house and explain to you a little bit about what's going on with this house. So, we initially came out for the siding job, and while they were replacing the siding and the soffit, we noticed that there was significant rot and damage like to the roof. So, we brought this to the attention of the homeowners and explained to them that we could do, a repair patch job to, the damaged pieces, but when you get into that, when you start to get into significant, repair or patch spots, you don't know what you're going to find. You could come across way more rot, way more damage, and end up needing to replace the whole roof anyway. So, because there was significant enough damage that we noticed, we suggested that they end up, replacing the whole roof. So, we got them a quote for that. Look how cute that house is. We got them a quote for that, and they were super happy with that and ended up deciding to replace the whole roof. And they actually changed the color of the siding, which used to be like a cream white color, and they're changing the color of the roof as well. And so it's going to be like a drastic difference. It's going to be like a whole new house. So they're going to be super happy with the end result, I think. And here's a little view of the house. And of course, I will bring you back to see the final house.